5 best washing machines. The item number 5 is Geeky Mini Portable Washing Machine. Brand name Geeky. Power, W150W. Automatic type semi-automatic. Washing capacity, kg, 2.1 to 4.5 kilograms. Washing program wash only. Loading type top loading. Model number XQH704GF. Motor type other. The item number 4 is Portable Mini Ultrasonic. Fast intimate environmental protection. Strong decontamination. Vibration sterilization, deep decontamination. High frequency mechanical vibration of all kinds of stubborn stains, dissolved and dispersed, cannot be attached to the clothes fiber, too deep the role of decontamination. The item number 3 is USB Mini Washing Device Machine. Brand name Teague. Housing material PVC. Automatic type semi-automatic. Certification Row HS, CB. Washing program wash only. Energy efficiency rating grade 1. Tub no. Single tub. Motor type other. Tub material plastic. The item number 2 is 110 watts Mini Electric USB Ultrasonic. Brand name FGHGF. Voltage, V, 12 volts. Power, W, 100 to 150 watts. Automatic type semi-automatic. Certification Row HS. Washing program wash only. Housing material plastic. Energy efficiency rating grade 1. The item number 1 is New Portable Ultrasonic Turbine. Small, lightweight, portable, suitable for home and traveling. It's an independent washing machine which is easy to use. USB power supply, and ultrasonic intelligent chip control. It can be directly hung on the barrel wall or placed on the bottom of the barrel. It can be used to wash shirts, dresses.
Check the description below for the links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.